enrollment. So first let me give you the scenario what exactly it is. As you know that okay, Sagar, you have joined from two different devices. Okay.
Yeah, I
Okay.
have joined it.
Okay. So basically the requirement for the computer SSL certificate to secure your RDP connection. To secure your RDP connection. Let's say uh, in your organization there is a many servers, many domain controllers, and you are accessing through your laptop, right? So sometime you are do RDP this server, sometime you are doing RDP this server, sometime you are doing RDP this server. So the overall session established, it is called remote desktop session. It is called the remote desktop session. Now any hacker, it's it's already infected in your environment and he just waiting for transaction, so he can penetrate any of the session and easily can capture your infrastructure. Let's say this is your domain controller and he hacked the session, and you will see that your account will be no longer exist, it will be delete from AD, and he destroy your company DNS and everything. Okay, malicious attack. To prevent this kind of attack, we need to implement the SSL certificate both client system as well as server systems. Now how we can create the SSL certificate, that's we already covered in the previous class, through MMC or through CSR. Through here we can create this SSL certificate. Now question is, if my organization will have around 50,000 users, that means 50,000 computer. So in this case, every time should I do the manual certificate or enrollment? In that case, it is not possible, right, to give every time, and might be user forget to build the certificate. So organization will do automatic certificate enrollment through a group policies. Basically automatic certificate enrollment is the combination of certificate templates, dynamic certificate templates, as well as group policy automation, through which whenever any machine join to the domain, the automatic certificate will be generated. In case it is not generate, just you have to run GP update force, it will be generated the certificate for your domain join systems. Clear? Is that clear? That was our today demonstration. Got my point?
Okay.
Now in order to make this, what should I do? I need to verify certain prerequisites. One prerequisite is domain controller, another one is ADCS server or CS server, client system, group policy, and certificate templates. So as we already have the existing setups, this is already done, this is already done, this is already done. We need to create group policy and we need to create certificate templates. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes, clear.
Sagar, is that clear to you? So first I will create a templates. Clear? For that only I have to go to tools, certification authority. All settings as it is. Now what we can do, we'll go to certificate templates. Let's see any certificate, computer certificate template we have done or not. I think we have done. That is comp. Clear? Hemanta, is that clear? We have created earlier.
Yes, yes, sir. It was
Okay.
created.
And that was fair enough to create the certificate, computer certificate. If I go to MMC, click on add. Perfect. This is our CA certificate, CA server certificate. Now nothing will do not touch anything here. We'll go to the member server. If I go to MMC, add, remove snap-in, certificate, basically this is a user certificate, so we need to let's log off and log in with CA service. So this is already a SSL certificate there. I'm just deleting this. Now what we can do, we go to domain controller, we'll create one GPMC group policy. We'll basically come to security setting. Okay, we'll come to here, security settings, then we have to select public key policy. In public key policy, remember we have to do it two things: certificate service auto enrollment we have to enable, renew expert certificate, update certificate that use certificate templates. This thing we'll have to do, apply. And here there is another things we need to do, that it automatic certificate settings. These two things you need to do. Right click, new, automatic certificate settings, click on next. So this is for the computer, you are creating computer certificate. Double click on it. See that this is a client authentication and server authentication, right? Main purpose. Now what we can do, we go to dsa.msc. As you know that default machine, default computer object, the computer policy was not be applied. So let's create one OU here. Here what we can do, we'll move that machine to the business computer OU, and after that I will apply the group policy here. After that I will apply the group policy here. Got my point? So close this, open GPMC, click on refresh the templates. Now you can see the policy is showing here, right? Go to refresh your domain. In business computer OU, link this existing GPO, computer certificate auto enrollment. Job is done. This job is done. Now what we can do, go to here, write down the command gp update /force. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes, clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go to here in your member server. You have to do the GP update. Once you do GP update or you do manual restart, whatever it is, because if you do not do the GP update, that doesn't mean the policy will not be applied. It will be applied, but after some time, in that case you need to restart, and once the policy got applied, you can see here it should be reflect. If it is not coming, then we have to do the troubleshooting. Yes, that automatically deployed. Now what I can do, I will create a separate computer joined to the domain. I can see the certificate will be automatically come. Let's create one machine. Where is the path? First let's see the path. If ADCS lab member server. So create one machine here. (2012) systems. Member 2 SBR01. This is the server name. Okay, member 2 SBR01.
Siddharth, hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Siddharth, which we are using this to get the free trial account? We are using Azure portal or this VMware.
This is VMR.
How many days it will come, Siddharth? Free
Yeah,
trial?
no, it's not a free trial. We'll licensed, so we will give you all the settings. So whenever you join, we will give you. If you want to do it in your system, then mandatory
Uh,
software all will be given to you.
Sorry, your voice was very low.
I'm telling you that if you join this course, then you have a
Uh,
hands-on. You will directly connect this server and do hands-on practice. Okay.
okay, you will share with me the credentials.
Yes.
Okay,
You no need to purchase any system or server, nothing else. You will directly take a practice from here.
okay.
This is VMware workstation basically for our multiple lab. See here, he is a Hemanto. Actually, he joined Hemanto last year, and during
Hmm.
his AD training journey, he got selected in ITC Infotech as a Active
Hmm.
Directory subject matter expert. At the package is around
Hmm.
around 7 lakhs. So
Okay.
Hemanta, please share your feedback. Last 1 year, what you have learned, what was the current organization you have joined, what are the things, I mean, about you this course you have joined. Just briefly explain to Sagar.
Yeah, hi Sagar.
Hi, man.
Yeah, actually, last year I was also struggling in my present organization, but that time I joined that course, and after that I built my skill day by day, and then after 3 months I
Hmm.
got an opportunity from Siddharth sir uh,
Hmm.
in his current organization, IT Infotech, and I that time I cracked that interview
Hmm.
due to this course only.
Hmm.
Okay, and currently I am
Hmm.
working
Hmm.
as a colleague of Siddharth sir in his team.
Okay, good, good.
So lot of things I achieved day by day. Currently, I am also learning many things, and the way Siddhartha is giving us training, it's very much useful for us.
Yeah,
So I can say if you are serious on your career, then you can achieve many things from this training.
yeah.
Thank you, Hemanto, for your feedback. So
Thank you, man.
what I'm trying to say that here basically there is no limit that I cannot do, or it is not included in the course. Nothing. In terms of whatever in AD Active Directory, all will be covered. That's what the course was so long. You got my point, because I believe you are from different backgrounds. Let's say you are from server background, or if you have a desktop background, or you have a normal IT support background, it doesn't matter, because we will start from
Hmm.
ABCD. We will start from
Yeah,
ABCD and we will make you the sentence. Got my point? That's what the
yeah,
course is high. And here, what exactly I'm telling
yeah.
to the juniors or students, what exactly
Hmm.
the market works. If you are applying for the position called Microsoft
Hmm.
AD analyst, you need to know what are
Hmm.
the things, then only you can crack the interview. All will be covered here. All will be covered here.
Yeah,
As a whole, ADDS, Active Directory, domain service, what are the topic will come here? LDAP, Kerberos, domain and trust, Active Directory domain and trust, forest trust, group policy, DNS, OU level delegation, permission, Microsoft failover cluster, load balancing,
hmm.
VPN, radius based authentication. Then if we say that
Yeah,
activity certificate, so in certificate servers, what is CS server, why it is required, how certificate work, failover certificate server, Kerberos, okay, certificate server
yeah.
migration. Today there was a topic, computer certificate auto enrollment. Last week we have a certificate, that is user certificate auto enrollment. Then certificate root server
Hmm.
certificate renewal. Then we have a certificate server migration. Then we have a topic Carbaros.
Yeah.
Then we have a topic, Federation Service. In Federation Service, Relying Party Trust,
Yeah.
Web Application Proxy, Certificate Renewal, Token Signing, Token Decryption, SSL Certificate. Okay, and then Azure Ready Connect, then Azure
Yeah.
Ready, then Azure Administration, O365. This is by side, we will build your skills. And at the end of this
Yeah.
course, we will design your CV, and the CV look like as
Hmm.
it is you are experienced in as an infra architect in Active Directory domain. And not only that,
Okay.
even let's say our student having interview today, so we
Hmm.
through the process called Google Meet live interview, I
Hmm.
heard Hemanta Mondal. Just ask him. He listen live interviewer ask question to my student, and he is write down the interview
Okay.
question.
Okay.
Ask him. There
Okay.
was a
Okay.
extraordinary opportunity. No one even joined the live interview classes. So here live interview happened.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And Siddharth, will you help in interview?
See, in interview, I have a options. Generally, my student won't take a help, because during the
Okay.
period they prepared. Because see, interviewer what they ask, what are the key
Hmm.
component in Active Directory? All I'm telling to my student. Now, student if they get
Okay.
practice, they don't need any help. In case they need help,
Okay.
so we already
Hmm.
have the latest Active Directory interview question in our
Hmm.
record
Hmm.
session we given to our student. So through this they will
Okay.
prepare. Easily you can crack them. See, Active Directory interview cracking, it's not a matter for us. Any interview can crack.
Yeah.
Any interview.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, back to here. So this is the newly built server I have created. Now I will join the machine to the domain. I can show you once I join the machine to the domain, then it will create an automatic certificate. Let's show you. If I go to MMC, so right now there is no certificate. Right now there is no certificate. So what we can do, 10, 10, 10, 10. Pinging. Then if I ping
Yeah.
to my domain, let's join the machine to the domain. What is my domain name? mylab.local.
Local. Password is incorrect.
CA service. Now once the machine and joined to the domain, what we can do, we will move the machine to the this OU, business computer OU. Once I move the machine to the business computer OU, policy will be applied. Automatically. Did you see that? New certificate. So whenever any machine join to the domain, this certificate will be generated. And not only that, if the certificate are expiring today, it will be automatic renewal. That's what we call them auto certificate enrollment and renewal process. So today this demonstration we have done auto certificate renewal and enrollment process. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So next week practicals we will do our root certificate, how to renew our root certificate, how to back up your existing CA server, and then finally we'll go for ADCS migration from 2012 to 2016 or 2019. Is that clear?
Okay.
So let me save the files.